Everyone to another video of the series WBCS preliminary MCQ solve special reference to geography. First of all, welcome to the channel Geography Made Easy, and if you are new to the channel, please do follow the channel for geography related contents and different notifications of competitive exams and also different study materials related things. So here we are starting with 2001 WBCS executive examination preliminary questions special reference to geography. Basically, I started the series some days back, and the question paper of 2000 has also already been solved and uploaded on the channel. You can check out that. So we are searching for the first question. The question is around the solstice, the 44th question. Around the solstice, twilight lasts for from sunset to sunrise in equatorial region and tropical region, high latitudes and mid latitudes. So basically solstice, so in the case of solstice we know that the particular region of Tropic of Cancer and surrounding region is getting the vertical light. If it is summer solstice, then northern hemisphere, we see both the solstices. In the southern hemisphere there is winter solstice also. So in the case of this, we just see this Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn both getting the sunlight. So the case is here the term is twilight. So twilight is a particular time after the sun has set till the darkness has obscured the entire sky, and this time interval between this sunset and the sky getting completely dark. So that time period is twilight. So this twilight can be seen in high latitudes. The option is C is the right answer, as because the sun horizon, the sun angle of incidence doesn't match with that of horizon. Horizon means where we can see if you are watching through an open field, we will see at the horizon, that is the end limit, the sky is seem to be like the sky and the ground has touched each other, but that's not true. But that is called the horizon. So horizon, the sun rays doesn't actually come and merge with the horizon. At least they are 18 degrees 18 to 20 degree angled sun rays. That is why we always see in the high latitudes during the summer solstices the light is there. So among the next question, high density, the 46th question, high density of population is occurs in Asia, North America, East Europe, Northwest Europe. So basically density of population, if it is concerned, the states, the country, continents concerned here, Asia, which is a developing continent, we can say, and North America, East Europe and Northwest Europe, these are having population, but the density of population must be excessively in Asia. So next question number 60, where did the OPEC heads of state meet to celebrate its 40th anniversary? So this is a current affairs type of GK question. So it's not important about to know whether there is a 40th anniversary or not, because at that time period 2001, that was as a current affairs, but we should know about this OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, in short, and we'll explain it. So OPEC is the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, the intergovernmental organization or the cartel of 13 countries founded on 14 September 1960 in Baghdad. The first 5 members it has since 1965. It is headquartered in Vienna, Austria. We should remember that the headquarter of OPEC is Vienna, Austria. So, and it was founded in 1960. So this is all about OPEC, and there are 13 countries. So looking for the next question. The question is the Camp David is located where? So Camp David is located in USA. So next question. The next question is the quality of human resources is lowest in UP, MP, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Karnataka, Goa, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland. So right answer is UP, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. Most probably the states comes under Bimaru Strait. So this is the right option. So the question next is the tribals of southern India: Negritos, Proto-Australoid, Mongoloid, Caucasoid. Basically, Caucasoidal tribes are not found in India. Caucasoids are the white people. Mongoloids are found in India. Even Negritos are found in India. So probably this is the Proto-Australoids who are found in southern India. So let's know about Proto-Australoids. So Proto-Australoids are perhaps uh, people beginning to the Proto-Australoids race came here after the Negritos. Their source are Australian Aborigines. They are settled in the central India from the Rajmahal Hills to Aravallis. Santal, Bhil, Gond, Munda, Orao, etc. tribes are related to this group. They are physically different from the Negritos in many ways. Their hair is coarse and straight instead of being woolly. It is considered that they were the people who, in collaboration with the Mediterranean race, had developed the Indus Valley civilization. Their skeleton have been found in the excavation of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. So this is all about the Proto-Australoid tribe. So the next question is in which country? 110 question. Which country earthquake mostly occur? So this is the land of earthquakes, Japan. The right answer. So the next question is interesting one, 130th question. The erosion of soil. The erosion of soil by winds can be best controlled by afforestation, removal of vegetation, dry farming, creation of windbreaks. So erosion of soil can be controlled. The erosion of soil by winds can be controlled by, so afforestation is the perfect option here, because afforestation will also help in soil binding. Afforestation will also help in becoming a barrier so that the wind cannot infer through it and can have something called soil erosion. So this is the answer. Looking for the next question. So the next question is the state with maximum length of roads is Tamil Nadu or UP or Karnataka or Maharashtra. So the right answer is Maharashtra. So in the case of Maharashtra, so the length is 50,151 kilometer, followed by Karnataka 20,000 something, and followed by Gujarat. Gujarat is 18,000 something. So I have to keep it in mind that the Maharashtra is standing first in terms of the length of highways, length of road. So looking for the next question. So the next question is the leading copper producer of Bihar, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh or Odisha in India. So the right answer is Odisha. The next question. Next question is the National Wildlife Action Plan was adopted in India by 1963, 1973, 1983, 1993. The right answer is 1983, which was implemented in 2001. Next question. Next question is also from geomorphology. So the question is, which term is given to the sandy desert with their characteristics sand dunes landscape? Reg, Arg, Hamada, Badland. Which term is given to sandy desert with characteristics of sand dune landscape? So sand dunes, we know different type of sand dunes are there. Badland is not part of it. Arg and regs are confusing. So the right answer is Arg, E-R-G. So what is Arg? So Arg is also called as sand sea. Okay. So Arg is also called as sand sea, and in desert region areas, large accumulation of sand, generally in the bottom of a huge basin in which a former river piled up alluvium. are called arg. Arg are areas of actively shifting dunes, you know. So this is the right answer. Is also very. The next question is very interesting. The Earth's 170. The Earth's magnetic field never changes. Now, never is what such a word you should avoid in exam. These are extremist words. Extremist words not always, we can say always leads to wrong answers. So never, always, these are the words to be avoided. These are catchy words. Anyway, the Earth's magnetic field is never changes, has reversed itself many times, is centered exactly in this Earth center, originates in a permanently magnetized iron core. So the right answer here is option B, is has reversed itself many times. Looking for the next question. So the next question is the region which leads to the world is sugar production is South Asia, Southeast Asia, West Indies and USA. So Cuba, we know the industry. Cuba is very famous. It is a Caribbean island, though there is no Caribbean island option, so you can go with West Indies and option. So this is all about from the geography part of this question paper of WBCS 2001. We'll continue the series, and hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please subscribe, please like and share as much as possible, because helping others for studies is the best way we can share our our part, our contribution and other success too. And sharing needs nothing but caring. So please share and subscribe the channel, and we'll meet again with another video of this series. Actually, there will be a lot of series which will come. I will complete different type of things regarding exam studies and geography. So if you're just interested in it, I'll tell you and request you to subscribe the channel and be with us. Thank you so much for today. Have a great day.